In this video, you'll learn how to delete a workspace in Asana. This guide will walk you through the necessary steps to ensure you can perform this action correctly and safely. Begin by navigating to the Asana website. Once there, sign in using an administrator account. It is essential to be logged into the workspace you intend to delete, as only workspace owners can carry out this action. Before proceeding, verify that there are no active projects within the workspace that are still needed to prevent any accidental data loss. Next, look for your profile or organization name, typically located in the upper right corner of the screen. Click on it to open a drop-down menu, then select either workspace settings or organization settings, depending on your setup. After this, navigate to the advanced or admin section within the settings. This is where you will find options related to workspace management. Once you are in the appropriate section, search for the option labeled Delete Workspace or Deactivate Workspace. This is where you will initiate the permanent deletion process. It is crucial to locate this option carefully, as it involves significant actions that cannot be undone. Take a moment to ensure you are ready to proceed with this decision. After selecting the delete option, a warning message will appear on the screen. It's important to read this message thoroughly before continuing. This warning will inform you that once the workspace is deleted, it cannot be recovered. If you are certain about your decision, confirm the deletion when prompted. It is advisable to notify any team members about this action ahead of time to ensure everyone is aware of the workspace removal. And that completes the process of deleting a workspace in Asana. It is always prudent to double check that you have backed up any necessary information before proceeding with such actions. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.